Ngayong Asian Heritage Month, tampok dito sa Vancouver Art Gallery ang paghahabi. At kasama ang brod ng sining na si Yvette Salazar, tuturuan niya mga kalahok kung paano gumawa ng mga banig gamit ang makukulay na papel. Karaniwang nilalatag ang banig sa siesta o sa pagtulog sa Pilipinas. Sa making place ng gallery, tinuruan ni Salazar ang mga bata't matanda kung paano gumawa ng simpleng banig na maaaring gawing coaster o patungan ng baso. Bago magsanay sa buri pandan o ibang dahon, recycled colored paper ang gamit sa workshop.
Weaving itself is such a lovely technique, and it's almost, very soothing because you're working with your hands and you're working with materials that are very familiar with you, even though the technique might be new. And it was a great idea actually from my dad.
Dito man pinanganak, mula Aklan ang pamilya ni Salazar. Nagtapos ng art history sa Victoria at ng museum education sa UBC. Nakalakhan daw niyang makakita ng magagandang banig.
I was familiar with it, and I did a little bit. I remember as a kid, we might have done, a little quick demo, but I never really got into it until I started researching it for the workshop.
Anya, para raw maging dalubhasa sa techniques at iba pang disenyo, iniestima niya na hindi lang isang taon ang kailangan.
It's for them to understand this is part of our culture. This is just one of the things that we do and why we use it, why we have it in our household. And it's really interesting to see how the technique has sort of evolved, and you can see it in modern homes as pieces of art almost.
It was great, a good chance to do something different with kids and show them a bit of the culture that I have trouble teaching.
I've done origami before, so I thought it might be similar. And I think it's always interesting to create something.
I just love the peace of mind I get from folding this kind of stuff too.
Hanggang katapusan ng Mayo, inaanyayahan lalo ang mga miyembro ng komunidad na apektado sa Lapu-Lapu tragedy na dumalaw sa Vancouver Art Gallery ng libre. Dito, maaari raw makatulong sa paghilom habang nagluluksa o nagpapagaling.
That art heals, and this special workshop that we're doing is really working with your hands and possibly learning a new craft if you've never done it before. And you tend to sort of zone in and kind of relax when you're working with your hands, and it's almost therapeutic.
Pat Fernandez, Omni News, Vancouver.